Just thought I'd show you where I am with the layout at the moment. So this is the third video on the construction of my layout, and just decided to run a few trains around just to show people where I am. So yeah, this is some stock I recently bought in Germany, some local coaches. It's heading through the station there now, and that's a new Deutsche Bahn 101 that I bought in Germany recently as well. And you can see here the station's complete. It's all bedded in, has to be finished off. And down towards, you can see the signals there are functional in a scenic sense, but they don't work in any automatic capacity. That's a project for another day, I suppose, whenever I get time. And this here is a reverse loop, so that's that passenger train I just sent down, coming back up to reverse loop on the other side. And you can hear that lens module clicking away in the background. And that's been pushed by DB218. And over here is one of my freight trains. It's EMG Class 66. It's a Rail for Chem livery. It's having just a mixed train there of different types of freight wagons. So that's that thing. Yeah, so it's just to give you guys an idea where things are, like these little things. So there's the station again, and signal box, and that's the storage area there at the back. That's another small diesel 218 that I have, but there's more storage roads going to go in this area. So I just have two mainline tracks there with a Holden loop at the moment, but I will get round to doing more. The lower level there of the figure 8. Right, and just along the back here, this is where the town is going to be. Just have some raised areas there, just to put some different levels in the town for streets and so on. Haven't quite figured out what way I'm going to orientate the buildings or anything like that yet. I have a few buildings from the last layout, so I'm trying to fit them in so I can reuse them. So it's a bit of not a problem, but just a challenge to fit the buildings that I have in to the new layout. But as you can see, the station's worked out pretty okay. Anyway. There we go, right at that. Well, before I go, that's the Roco multi-mouse there. So you can see there, that's how you scroll through the different locomotives. And you can do various things like switch the lights on and off, obviously. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.